Hello, welcome to FlexClip. Today I will teach you how to make a cinematic transition like this. Have you ever seen this transition in movies? Want to make a creative intro like this? This tap-to-color effect isn't just for advanced editors. You can make it in minutes with FlexClip. First, shoot your clip. Here are 3 pro shooting tips. Make sure you keep the camera steady, then simply tap toward the object with your finger. Next, import the clip into FlexClip and add it on the timeline. Find the exact frame where the straw enters the cup. Then split the clip into 2 parts right there. Select the first half of your clip and click Edit. Choose the first filter, or go to Adjust and lower saturation to 0. This makes the first half black and white, while the second half remains colorful. Next, add a music track with strong beats. Drag the music track to align the strongest beat with the cut point. To make it feel even better, add a tap sound effect at the transition point. That's it! Your tap-to-color video is done. Now you've learned this transition. Try it in other videos like, a tap makes the world turn colorful, or a drop triggers the color change. That's all for today. Follow for more FlexClip tutorials like this.